Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Find Yourself by Lukas and Promise of the Real. I think this is maybe a 4 or 5 year old song. I had never heard it. It just came up on my Spotify Discover Weekly playlist this week. And I really dug the groove of it. I think you guys will appreciate it as well. There's only have 4 or 5 chords in the song, so it's not a lot of chords. It's a great little riff you can play along with. Great groove. So hope you guys like this as much as I do. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're returning, you already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, so this is a great song, guys. I absolutely love the groove and feel of this tune. So we start here. So we'll go through the chords real quick. So we're playing A flat, and then we are playing a B flat minor, and then we eventually have a D flat, C minor, B flat minor, and to the A flat, and that's all the chords in the entire song there. So that A flat, just standard barred shape here, so barring that 4th fret. Okay, so the way we start this tune here, we've got this great riff here. Okay, and what I love about this song too is because there's only a few chords, there's a lot of space, and the groove is great. So you can really do a lot in that space. With you can do a lot with doing a little with all that space that we have there. So the way we start this though, so that's A flat. So you want to it's 2 strums here. That first strum more accentuating the root notes. So and then you want to hit that pop there, right? So okay, and you don't have to do this piece here. I just like throwing that in. So I'll go through how I like to do it, at least. All right. So after we hit this A flat, we're going on the A string, 6th fret, 3rd fret on the D, 6th fret on the D. And it's a pretty quick little, and follow that up with the mute. So, okay, and that second time through, so after we do it once here, you'll do that same 6th fret to the 3rd fret here, but you'll hold for very briefly, and then now we're going to, instead of just hitting the 6th fret here on the D, we're going to slide from that 6th fret of the D to the 10th fret of the D, and that's going to get us into our little riff here. So okay. All right, and so once we're here, great little riff, nice and simple, and really just following the A flat pentatonic there, honestly. So we're here on this 10th fret of the D, and we're gonna go. Okay, so from that 10th fret of the D, we go 8th on the G, 10th on the G, 9th on the B, back to that 10 on the G there. Okay. All right, and then from here, we're gonna hop back over to this D. We're gonna go 8th fret, but we're gonna bend down, resolving to that 6th into our B flat minor. So that's for that's the intro piece. So they'll play that a few times, and then we'll go into the chords or to the verse, which is the same chords here, and it's four measures for each chord. So if you're playing the verse and trying to sing along. And then at the end of the verse, last line of the verse, okay. So all we play there. So so again, this is the last line of the verse. So after you've played B flat minor, we're going to go to a D flat, C minor, B flat minor, A flat. And that D flat is again same standard bar shape, but now we're just barring this 9th fret here. Okay. And then the chorus. All right, guys. So that, like I said, it's a very quick, like I said, quick lesson. Not a lot of chords. Just a great groove. Yeah, it's a great groove. Really good practice too if you're trying to get used to throwing some fills into your chord playing. It's a really good one for that because again, there's so much space in the song, so you don't really have to rush too much, which makes it very nice. But yeah, I hope you guys. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and I will see you guys again soon.